We recommend the following multimeters for use in residential or commercial applications. The 179 is a versatile multimeter suitable for troubleshooting electronics as well as electrical systems up to 1000 volts AC or DC. The 3000 FC also measures up to 1000 volts AC or DC, and you can remotely read and share measurements on your smartphone. The 1577 or 1587FC enables you to measure insulation resistance and check the quality of the insulation. The 1587FC has 5 levels of test voltages and includes Fluke Connect for reading measurements remotely. If you want to define, based on temperature, where to perform measurements, we recommend the 279FC. It offers the ability to remotely read measurements via your smartphone.